Hey guys, this is a new product from FastCap, the tool hanger. This is going to be your go-to for all your 3Sing garage tool organizing products. So it's very similar to our speed divider, which has been a popular product for dividing things horizontally. This is for hanging things vertically. The difference between this and the speed divider, it's 7.5 inches long and it has no support gusset. This new guy, the tool hanger, it's only 10 inches long and it has a support gusset. Also, with the new one, you don't have to cut a dado like you did for the speed divider. It goes on top of any cleat just by securing straight to the wall, and then you can insert 2 screws from the top for added support if you want them. But even without those, easily holds 25 pounds per brace. So if you get a 2-pack, easily put 50 pounds of tools. And so put the cleat on the wall, you don't have to cut a dado in it at all. Really fast and easy. Just level it, screw it into your studs. Then you can space these any spacing that you want. The big advantage is because we have this little lip on the back, it's not just for putting those screws in, it makes it so that when you hang these on the top of the cleat, it levels them perfectly to each other. So without doing any work, all of your tools are gonna sit perfectly level like this. Makes it a really fast, easy way to get everything looking perfect. 2 3/8 inch bugle head screws, and it goes on any cleat, 3/4 inch or wider. You can use a 2x4, whatever you want. So with 1, you can usually hold weed whackers, stuff like that. With 2, you can do squeegees, you can do push brooms, you can do rakes, and it goes really deep. So you can hang all your flat shovels in one line, keep them super nice and organized, not taking up a bunch of wall space like you would with single tool holders. So tool hanger, get yours today, FastCap.com. This is really gonna make your 3Sing projects that much better. And these are gonna be available in a 2-pack for any one tool you want, or a 10-pack for your big 3Sing projects.